Are you tired of feeling like a pawn in a game controlled by elites? Do you feel like you're stuck in the matrix, unable to break free and achieve your financial goals? Well, today we're going to flip that script and show you how to take control of your life and your finances. This is Striverz Money, where we empower you to take charge of your financial future. Let's dive in. Many people believe that their financial struggles are due to external factors, like a controlling elite or a rigged system. But here's the truth. Focusing on these external factors is not only unproductive, but it's also detrimental to your personal growth and success. Instead of blaming the world, it's time to take control of your own life. We are living in the best time in history, with unprecedented access to information and opportunities. Instead of complaining about the state of the world, use the resources available to you to improve your life. The internet has made it possible for anyone to learn about personal finance, investing, entrepreneurship, and business. It's time to take advantage of these resources. Now, we're not saying that there aren't powerful elites out there, but here's the thing. This has always been the case throughout history. The only way to counter this is to gain personal power and wealth. And the best way to do that is through financial education and smart investing. So stop focusing on the things you can't control and start focusing on the things you can. Learn about personal finance, start investing, build a business. These are the things that will give you power and control over your life. And remember, the only person who can truly hold you back is you. So stop complaining, start learning, and take control of your financial future. Are you still with us? Great, because this next part is crucial. You see, the world is full of distractions, but the most successful people are those who can tune out the noise and focus on their goals. So ask yourself, are you ready to tune out the noise and focus on your financial success? Let's take a deeper dive into this. When we talk about gaining personal power and wealth, we're not just talking about making money. We're talking about gaining financial freedom. This means having the ability to make choices that allow you to enjoy life and spend time with loved ones without worrying about money. To achieve this, you need to understand the basics of personal finance. This includes budgeting, saving, investing, and understanding credit. These are the building blocks of financial success. Next, consider investing. Investing allows you to grow your wealth over time, taking advantage of the power of compound interest. Whether it's investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or starting your own business, investing is a key part of building wealth. Speaking of starting a business, entrepreneurship is another path to financial success. While it's not for everyone, starting a business can provide a level of financial reward and personal satisfaction that's hard to match. Remember, the path to financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, patience, and discipline. But with the right mindset and the right tools, you can achieve your financial goals. Remember, the only way to escape the matrix is to take control of your own life. Stop blaming others and start taking action. The power to change your financial future is in your hands. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start striving for success. Remember, the power is in your hands. Now go out there and make it happen and take action. And check out the related links in the description. And make sure you watch our other videos on making money and achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching and keep striving.